Thank you very much. That was Ian Lee Estrella, TikTok content creator. Up next, we have Miss Annalyn Musay of Manila Bulletin.
Hello, good evening. Congratulations sa lahat. This is for Alden. Okay. Parang na-mental block ako, sorry. Anong klaseng fulfillment ba ang nararamdaman mo as a director compared to being an actor and a producer? And would you like to be called Direct Alden now instead of just Alden?
Well, the fulfillment from this is, I would just like to let the industry know na ito po yung nagawa ng industriya sa akin as an individual. Sana rin po with all the young generation starting now, sana ganun nyo rin itrato yung trabaho nyo dito sa industriya natin. We are given a once-in-a-lifetime platform to be public figures, to be inspiration to a lot of people. And we have to utilize and maximize our tenure in this industry with worthwhile commitments. So, yun po, ito po yung way ko to give back to the industry. Hindi po ako tumigil matuto, hindi po ako tumigil na my only question every achievement or recognition that I get in this industry is what's next. I don't dwell in the recognition or the hype that I've had in the past. Because minsan kasi di ba, yung iba, I always get to ask this question, oh, sobrang successful mo na, parang happy ka na dyan, parang di ba pwede ka na magpahinga. Mga kaibigan ko pa nagsasabi sa akin. Parang wala rin naman yung kinaiba sa mga artista or actors na bumilip sa sarili. Yung mga, or not only actors, but in people in general na masyado ng, I don't know, conceited ba yung term doon na parang, hindi, kaya ko na to. Okay na. Ano na to, basic na sa akin. That's the death of learning. That's the death of progress. And that's the death of your journey. So, hindi lang po ako tumigil talaga. I'm always hungry for learnings, experiences, feelings, emotions. Always hungry for that. There are times, syempre, na minsan hindi rin tayo okay. But, yun nga, ba't ko ba ito sinimulan? Ba't ko ba sinimulan yung career ko dito? And all of the things that's happening right now. And this year is gonna be my 15th year. Sa December in the industry, and hindi ako mapapagod to give more and to give back to the industry with how I live my life as an actor. So, ano yung second question mo? Dami yung sinasabi.
Pero in your future directorial jobs, will you always be an actor-director or pwede ka rin director lang?
Depending on the project, ma'am. Kung hindi, kasi I have to be honest, it's very taxing. It's very demanding to be of 3 hats in one project. But masaya siyang gawin kasi napupush ko yung sarili ko sa limits. Kumbaga, I was in constant debate with myself every day since I started filming this project. It's never easy. And but siguro kung possible po and kung pagkakatiwalaan po and makahanap tayo ng worthwhile projects, I would really consider to be, depende po kasi pwedeng director lang. Gusto ko rin naman matry yan. I tried the 3. Nakapag-produce na po kami ng mga movies as producer. Meron ng producer-actor, meron ng producer-actor-director, wala pang producer-director or wala pang director lang. So gusto ko rin pong experience all those things and then tignan natin. Kasi masayang paglaruan yung opportunities. Not paglaruan in a bad sense, so, but play with it for progress and for learning. So I think that's what I'm excited about.
Well said. Thank you, Direk.
Thank you.
There's Emma of Jimmy Entertainment. Up next, we have CJ Bond of CJ Says Vlog.
Hi, good evening. So kung congratulations and panonoodin ko ulit siya sa Netflix. So, my question is for Joyce and Nico. So, ano yung masasabi niyo na parang kayo yung bagong dynamic duo sa movie na to?
Grabe naman yung dynamic duo. Thank you! Ang dali kasi, sa totoo lang, parang for me, personally, first time ko yung medyo ganitong role na kengkoy na hindi masyadong kengkoy, na medyo seryoso, na hindi talaga ako sanay sa timing and everything, pero sobrang dali kasing katrabaho din ni Nico, and very mapagbigay siya, and very, mahilig siya mag-advise. Hindi, ang dali niyang kabatuhan. Kaya rin lumabas rin yung, parang, I think kaya din naging okay yung itsura namin on screen. Kasi even off screen, very friendly si Nico. So very home, very chillax talaga kami off cam. Kaya I think yun din yung lumabas sa film.
Thank you. Ang masasabi ko lang, ako sure na nandun ako sa part 2.
Kung uulitin niyo po sa October 2, kitang-kita po natin na tinamaan si Gabby dito lang. So baka naman.
And my last question is that with the recent happenings dito sa Pilipinas, so ano yung gusto niyong iwan or mapulot ng mga viewers dito sa pelikula niyo?
Ayun po, I'll answer on behalf of the whole cast na. So, because kami pong mga producers at mga creators, actually when you say creators, lahat yan lahat ng elemento, the producers, the directors, the writers, the actors, the staff and crew, everyone that's part of the production are creators. Naniniwala po kasi kami na binigyan po kami ng ganitong platform para makapaghatid ng mensahe palagi sa aming mga manunood. Binigyan kami ng talent, binigyan kami ng recognition ng mga sumusuporta sa amin because naniniwala sila na dito sa platform kung nasan kami, makakapaghatid kami ng mensahe sa mga napapanahong pangyayari sa buhay ng mga tao. Regardless kung sa pangkalahatan ba to or personal man. So with this film, with all the films actually, all of us here, we have created a lot of films and a lot of projects already. We wanted to send a message that sa buhay natin, regardless of what's happening around us, there's always a light at the end of the tunnel. Everything is fleeting, everything is temporary. So whatever we're experiencing right now will pass. Diba nga, yung sabi sa saying, this too shall pass. And with that, that's why we are here as creators, because we're here as a reminder to those people who are going through something every day, para we make sure and make them realize that as they watch us, we want them to feel that their lives are getting better every day and always better.
Thank you.